Hi, I'm Calvin with Innovair, and we're going to be changing a desiccant breather on the IM30 today. To do that, first we want to take these latches loose and open up both doors. Gives us plenty of room to work. Just like that. So this is our breather that we're going to change right here. This is the desiccant material. You can see here, it's very dark, it's black, it's overdue for service. To remove it, you just unthread it from the fitting. Comes out like that. We're going to replace it with a brand new one. You can see that one's nice and purple, light colored. That's what we want to see. Most important thing about this when you're replacing is removing all three of these plugs. We get all three of those out of there because we got to be able to let this thing breathe when it's in operation. Yeah, so most important thing, remove all three of these plugs. Come out pretty easy. You can get them out by hand. Just like that. All right, so to install it, we're just going to slide it through the clamp here. Thread it in. You only have to thread it down till that O-ring touches. There's no real reason to crank it down or anything. That's all there is to it. That's all it takes. And so we just changed the breather on an IM30, and that's all there is to it.